I'm John DeFazio. I'm the director of the Steelworkers for the state of Pennsylvania, and I'm also a county council member in Allegheny County at large. It takes in 1.2 million people. This has been a good convention. We were blessed with having the President of the United States here and speaking, and he's really for the working people. He's trying to do everything to make sure he gets health care for everyone. He is trying to get the Employees Free Choice Act. I mean, he's one person that you really know is in your corner trying to do things for the working people, but he needs a little bit of help. It isn't as easy as it seems because there's a lot of people putting out a lot of misinformation, and he has to come back all the time and try to counteract that. He needs a lot of people like myself and everyone else to help him. And I know organized labor is helping all they can on this. So with that and with the new officers, President Trump had taken over the AFL-CIO, this has been a great convention, and I think there's a lot of good things that come out of this.